All right, in the previous video, we went over inequalities and inequality notation. Now we are going to go over interval notation. Now, when we are using parentheses, I know we think of this as a point, and sometimes we do use parentheses as a point. However, these parentheses can also be used to represent an interval. So whenever we are using intervals like this, we could say, hey, this is between -3 and 3. So I'm going to go ahead and go from -3 to 3. Now, if these were brackets like this, like a bracket, then that would be like a less than or equal to or a greater than or equal to, and then we would include those. However, these are just parentheses, so this is very similar to our less than or greater than sign. We do not want to include these points. So from -3 to 3, not including -3 and 3. All right, let's take a look at the next one. The next one, what we have here, ooh, okay, so we are between -8 and 1. So we're between -8 and 1. However, since these are filled in, this is where we are using those brackets. So we are using those brackets. So we're going from -3 or -8 to 1. -8 to 1. All right, next problem. Here is what we have. Looks like we don't really have one that's mixed yet, but we're going from -5 to 6. Those are open, so we are using the parentheses. So we are going from -5 to 6. All right. Um, Now, here we are going from 4 off forever to the right. We are going from 4 all the way to positive infinity, so towards a million, a billion, a trillion, from 4 to there. Now, we are not including 4. That is not shade in, so this will be 4 to infinity. Now, please, 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 we do not use brackets for infinity. That would be saying, hey, we've shaded, we've reached infinity, we made it. That is not the case. We're going from 4 to infinity. You can never really reach it. We shouldn't treat it like a number. So from 4 to infinity. All right. We should have plenty now to get started, but this is interval notation with our brackets and parentheses.